Hello Japan Cricket, welcome to Quick JP Walk. This season we will discuss many things related to cricket, and one such key topic is coaching. So far in Japan, players have relied on self assessment and feedback from other players to improve their game. Professional coaches and facilities are not yet available in Japan, but until now, this season, Japan Cricket Association has appointed Simon Dutt to the position of High Performance Manager. He arrived in Japan a few weeks back and I took the opportunity to meet him and Alenka to know about their vision to help club cricket also. In order to understand how the structure is, I took a 2-hour training session with Simon. These training sessions are specific to players' needs and their improvement areas, whether it be batting, bowling, or fielding. So it is the beginning of the season, and I thought it's better for everyone to understand the basics of batting. Start with it will be starting the inning, getting that front foot forward, drives, getting onto the back foot, opening up in the square region, then again the spinners getting to the pitch of the ball. After 4 months of hibernation, it's time to open my kit bag and see you there. One key thing I was not doing right was I was not leaning towards the ball. I was predominantly waiting on the back foot to watch the ball, and he saw that and he started suggesting that I should lean more forward and my bat position should be much more higher so that it will give me much more balance. I was still not getting onto the front foot with the feet position and head position, so I had to make a conscious effort to repeat my process to every ball. The next area we focused was on getting that back foot across and playing through the square region, which could be much more productive region in the middle overs. So important was that back foot should be going close to the off stump to cover any wide deliveries which are close to the wide line. Getting close to the ball, we will be able to control our shot. Last thing I wanted to focus in this session was positive footwork against spin bowling, to the pitch of the ball, playing it along the ground, proper drives, ensure that head towards the ball, reaching the ball, not trying to play it away from the body. So those were the key elements I wanted to focus on and wanted to understand his feedback about it. So there you go, guys. I focused on technical aspects of the batting, and during 2 hour interaction, I thought we barely scratched the surface. Simon has a lot to offer in terms of technicality, mental aspect part of it. So players would benefit a lot by arranging a training session with him. I think he has a lot to offer in terms of batting, bowling, fielding, so that he can improve players' performance in each department. I think we should be able to know what are the right drills to practice before the game in order to ensure that our footwork is right, timing is right, we don't get stressed out about the match situation. Irrespective of the match situation, our basics and techniques should not change. So there were some key takeaway moments for me. I think everyone would like to improve their game can come up to him as a team. I think it would be very interesting to have a session with him, which will help team to understand how to build an inning, bat in partnership, bowl in partnership, how to ensure that batsman rotates strike regularly, how to create pressures, how to build those situations. If you want to know more about this project created by Alan, feel free to contact him. And if you need my help to improve your training, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. From this year, CricJP has launched a subscription program to help us cover as many games as possible. Depending on the subscription plan, we will be arranging training sessions for you throughout the season, which will help you to improve your game. A lot of exciting plans, teams and clubs. Please check them out. I will put a link in the description below. Thank you to those who have already subscribed to the program. Stay safe and see you soon on the field.